Here's one thing you need to understand to actually make money trading meme coins. And that is, look, if you are watching this video, it means that most likely you've seen countless people becoming millionaires off buying a meme coins named after the most ridiculous things, such as stupid TikTok trends like a chill guy, or latest being Elon Musk changing his profile picture and name to Ksaveras Maximus, and a meme coin created based on that did well over 400x in less than 48 hours. So I'm not surprised to see people making millions from $300 investments. And more people joining meme coin trends means more opportunities and liquidity coming into the market. And I'm here to give you the full guide on exactly how to trade meme coins, all the way from being completely beginner to revealing more advanced tactics. So by the time you leave this video, you will know exactly how to set up your wallet, where to buy meme coins, and what to look for when buying your next 100x meme coin. Before I tell you what is the best way to buy meme coins, there's one very important concept that you need to understand about meme coin, and that is the entire sequence of a meme coin, starting from creation to becoming a mainstream. And by mainstream, I mean it becomes accessible for pretty much anyone to buy, and everyone is talking about that meme coin. You know, there's a saying, every success leaves clues. And by analyzing those clues, we can find the next big meme coin before it goes mainstream. And for the purpose of simplifying things, without using any advanced dictionary, we'll call this concept a roadmap. You see, the roadmap of any meme coin is always the same. And by knowing that roadmap, which I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna stay ahead of the most crypto traders. And the meme coin roadmap from zero to hero is actually very simple, but is ignored by a lot of traders. So the very first thing for a meme coin is its creation. It's when the meme coin is deployed on a blockchain. Buying meme coins that are just deployed is the most risky strategy and the fastest way to lose all your money. And just to give you a better perspective, most meme coins are created on a pump fund. On average, there are like 20,000 new meme coins created in a day. And only 1% of those meme coins proceed to the second step of a roadmap, which is listing token on decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap. And you might think that 1% is quite good odds for a gambling. But what if I tell you that out of that 1%, only 0.0045% of meme coins reach market cap of $1 million, which is considered a low market cap and by no means can make you a millionaire. So investing your money into meme coins that are in the first or the second step of their roadmap is highly risky and you have all the odds against you. So let's proceed with the meme coins that are in that 0.0045% range and have better chances to succeed. The third step of a roadmap is listing tokens on low tier exchanges such as Gate.io, where more people are exposed to that meme coin and can buy easier. The fourth step is getting meme coin listed on a mid-tier exchanges like OKX, BingX, which has even more traders ready to buy the meme coin. The fifth and the last step is getting meme coin listed on major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and obviously the final step is the hardest to reach and very few meme coins do, just because of how regulated those exchanges are. But if meme coin gets listed on there, then it's where you want to plan your exit strategy because you are guaranteed to be in a profit with your investment. Doesn't matter when you bought it, at what price you bought it, because every coin listed on the Binance, on the top tier exchanges, pumps insanely hard. As an example, there is a meme coin called Peanut. It was listed on a mid-tier exchanges and had the market cap of around 128 million before listing on Binance. And guess what happened after it listed on Binance? So right after the post listing, the price increased by 700%. So that's 7x on your investment. And that's the power of a coin listing on a top tier exchange. By now, you're aware of the entire roadmap that every meme coin follows. You can start planning your actions. As I told you before, I will provide you the full guide on how to buy meme coins ahead of the most people. But what I yet to tell you is that I will give you two strategies, the safer one and the more risky one. And I really hope by now you understand that buying meme coins in the first or the second stage of a roadmap is a very risky strategy and you have all the odds against you. And there's one thing I bet you didn't know, but it's very crucial to know, is that faking your way to success with a meme coins is also an option. What I mean by that is there are ways to fake your way into getting your meme coin listed on low tier exchanges by paying money. And that's a very common strategy for meme coin creators to do. And that's why I'm telling you this, because by knowing that, I would not suggest buying any meme coins on low tier exchanges, because that meme coin can still go to zero and you can lose all your money. So the safest way to multiply your money with a meme coins is buying them when more trusted mid-tier exchanges starts listing them. As an example, the exchange I use and I recommend is BingX exchange, because if meme coin is listed on there, it means the team is working relentlessly on the project. There are a lot of holders that support the project and the foundation for that meme coin is very strong. So the potential for the price going up is very high. I'm going to leave the link down below to the exchange in the description for easy access. And here's how to spot new listings coming on BingX exchange so you could be ready to buy. First of all, I would suggest following BingX exchange on X, because as any other exchange, before listing a new token, they always do an announcement. Secondly, once you download the app and create an account on BingX, turn on notifications on your phone specifically for BingX app, because you get notified when new listing is being added, and the notification looks like this. So once you see the new listing becoming available to trade, check the community behind the project. If it looks solid, then buy and hold. The strategy I just told you about is the safest strategy to multiply your money with a meme coins during the bull market. And there are still plenty of meme coins that will do 10, 20x. And one of them, I believe, is Pengu token, representing the Pudgy Penguins project. But for these meme coins to do 100x is very unlikely, just because their market cap is already high enough. So the more risky approach, which can help you get that 100x, 200x meme coin, is scouting peers on ox.fun exchange. So ox.fun exchange allows any meme coin project to become perpetual futures traded meme coin. And that is a huge thing for a meme coin. And you might be thinking, what does it mean for average people? Well, for someone like you or me, well, let me tell you, if the project is depositing their supply on ox.fun to become perpetual futures traded, it means the team behind the project is committed for its long-term success, because they are providing their supply, aka their profits, to make project successful. So buying tokens on ox.fun is not only super easy to do, but you're buying tokens where teams actually cares about their project. And here's how you can trade on ox.fun. So first, you will need to create the Phantom wallet. Once you have the Phantom wallet, which takes like 2 minutes to create, then you need to connect the wallet to ox.fun. And the next thing you do, you just click trade. You are redirected to the page that looks like this. Then you find the meme coin that you are interested in. I would always suggest buying the project that has a super strong communities behind them. And one of them, as an example, would be Retardio. And you get chart like this. Now, let me tell you a secret. If you are deep in the trenches, if you're deep in the community and you know what's going on behind the scenes, you know that there is a big listing upcoming for that coin, which means the coin gonna pump hard on the announcement. So once you know there's something big upcoming for that meme coin, you just go to ox.fun and then you long this coin until the announcement comes in, you get the pump, and then you exit. That's my trading strategy, which I really love. And another good thing about OX.fund is that you can use the leverage. In this case, for Retardeo, you can use up to 10x leverage for longing or shorting their coin. So what it means is if you have only 1,000 and you know there's something big upcoming for this project, you can use 10x leverage and buy Retardeo back worth 10,000 with only 1,000. If the coin does 2x, it means you made $10,000 only with $1,000 invested. And you need to keep in mind that everything I discussed in this video comes from my experience. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. I'm just sharing what works for me, what I use on a daily basis, and I'm hoping that it gives you clarity on what is your next step if you want to get into meme coin trading. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to